in London. We've been speaking with a number of guests, attorneys, colleagues of Julian Assange. We're now turning to Jesselyn Radack. Jesselyn Radack is former Justice Department attorney, serves as director of Whistleblower and Source Protection at Expose Facts. Jesselyn, can you talk about what Julian Assange faces, what is being said in the media, and apparently what the Ecuadorian president said is he's been promised that Assange will not be extradited to a country that has the death penalty. Of course, the United States does have the death penalty. What does this mean?
My understanding is that the U.S. has probably made some kind of assurance that they would take the death penalty off the table. Again, I haven't seen the details of this, but I'm guessing that's what happens. The problem is that the criminal basis for what they're doing is an antiquated law called the Espionage Act, which is this draconian law that's been used to go after publishers, whistleblowers, sources, and journalists. And really, it's a strict liability law with no available public interest defense.
And what do you expect, Jesselyn, that will happen now? I mean, in effect, a 45-year sentence, I mean, the charges that he has against him in the U.S. could lead to up to 45 years in prison. Is that what you understand?
That's my understanding. And this would be an incredibly chilling precedent that would put at risk all journalists and publishers, including Democracy Now!, including the New York Times, the Washington Post, and the Guardian, for reporting truthful information, classified or not, which is in the public interest.
Now, what are these charges? They have never actually been revealed, if in fact they are there. Is that correct, Jesselyn?
They were apparently inadvertently revealed. These would be charges under the Espionage Act, which, unfortunately, President Obama resurrected after being dormant for a century, resurrected this old law, and has been using it not to go after spies, but rather to go after whistleblowers. And unfortunately, it created a precedent that now President Trump can run with. So when you suddenly have someone in power that we don't trust the way people trusted Obama, here you're seeing the full fruition of what that looks like. And again, this would be an incredibly chilling precedent that has been created today with the arrest of Julian Assange. He is a publisher, he's a journalist, he's a media outlet. That puts you and any other reporter, journalist, publisher at risk.